Okay, first of all, welcome to Karo Startup platform. And people are very eager to meet you in the session. And we have heard a lot about you. Also, watching your Insta stories, and also you put the the Eid video in the morning. So that
Hmm.
was really beautiful. So you
Thank
are
you.
one of the inspiration. So let's start with your journey. Like this is a very you can say like a very different kind of journey you had, I think. So let's start with the introduction part of yours, and you must be very intelligent. We can say that we cannot deny the fact you have cleared the IS and you are a deputy commissioner of Delhi currently, also a founder of
Hmm.
Sigma. So going forward, like each one segment we will be starting from the journey of the IS, like how did it started, and was your dream that to be.
Yes, definitely. I wanted to be an IS officer, and my father was a police officer, and he had always, I mean, since childhood, he has told me that you have to become this. So I think it was more of an acquired dream, but it was definitely my dream to become an IS officer.
Okay, great. And what about like the journey when you decided to get into movies, and have you ever think about it, like was it also a dream or also it just happened suddenly?
No, I had never thought that I'll be doing the song, or I'll be doing anything in Bollywood. It so happened that, in fact, I was a very reticent, uh, very introvert kind of a personality. I'm still that, and I was not on any social media till December 2019. It was in December 2019 that I opened my Twitter and Instagram account for the first time in my life. So it so happened that I was in Bombay last year on an official visit, and there's a friend of mine, Mr. Mukesh Chabra. He is the director of Dil Bechara, Sushant's last film, who is an established director. He had called me over to his office for lunch. That since you are in Bombay, so please come over and join me for lunch. I went there, and there was a team of a popular web show sitting there. So they wanted some information regarding Delhi police and Delhi administration. So I gave them the information, and then they asked me that what have you done in terms of acting. So I started laughing. I said, I'm not an actor. So and Mukesh said that he's a deputy commissioner of Delhi. He's not an actor, and I introduced him to you so that he can give you some information
Mm.
regarding Delhi. So they said that's what we were wondering, that how can an actor know so much about police and administration. So then they said that are you open to act, because we have a character in our web series which is quite similar. I mean, if you'll do it, you'll do great justice to the character. So I said, I've never acted before, so I don't know whether I'll be able to act or not. So Mukesh said, "Arey, acting to kuch nahi hoti. It's just like we are sitting together and chatting. So this is acting. Acting is basically action. So I'll don't worry. I'll give you 4 lines, and you just have to say them in front of the camera, and just say it casually as you are sitting in your office and you're talking to your to the people, to the visitors in your office, and then we'll capture it in camera and we'll see how it looks." So I said, okay, so lunch is ready. Let's have lunch first, and then we'll do it. So
Mhm.
he said, "No, why are you getting nervous? Let's first record it, and then let's go for lunch." So I said, okay, fine. So then we recorded it, and then it came out very good, really well, and everybody was happy. And then they said that, I think you should pursue acting. This is you'll do great justice to the character. So that's how the acting journey started. And
Okay.
while I was doing this web show, there was an article on me in Times of India, and there was a picture of me with a bike. And at that point in time, T Series was looking for a new face for its song Dil Tod Ke, and they saw my picture. They thought that this guy is a very different looking personality from the normal Bollywood personality. So they
Okay.
approached me, and I heard the song. I heard the concept. I really liked the concept, and I said yes. I said yes to the concept, and that's how the song happened. So it's a chain reaction, I think. which is going on.
Okay, so how different you found life in like being in very disciplined in terms of the deputy commissioner, and after going into an the journey of actor, which is quite very different from the that kinds of activities and these kinds of activities. So what is the change you have found like in both the characters? Have
I
your
think in
personality
terms,
also get changed because of that?
certainly you enrich yourself, you get more evolved because you learn a lot of things. And as far as discipline is concerned, I believe discipline is there in every profession, be it acting or be it an officer. Uh, I think discipline is a value which everyone should learn, because if you are disciplined, then you are valuing your time, you are valuing
True.
others' time, and you are
True.
motivating others, influencing others also, apart
Yep.
from doing good for your own self. So it definitely helped me. And my dad, I mean, I was raised in such a disciplined and regimented manner that
Hmm.
uh, this comes naturally to me. Uh, we were since childhood we used to follow our timetables. That what time do you have to get up? What time do you have to sleep? What time do you have to study? What time do you have to eat? So
Hmm.
all these timings used to be fixed. So it definitely helped me a lot in acting as well, because I have a set pattern, set approach towards new things in life, and I approach them in a similar manner.
Okay. So, as our platform shows that it's a Karo startup, which the word shows that you have to do startup. Like in
Hmm.
India, since 2016, we are following Narendra Modi that you have to become like nowadays Atmanirbhar. So, what are your opinions towards this? Like, why is it really necessary these days to be Atmanirbhar? So that at least to grow India and the GDP also.
It is certainly it is the best thing that one can do to oneself.
Hmm.
Atmanirbhar is a very self-reliant, is a very big virtue if one can possess that, because not only will you be setting an example for others, you will also be not dependent on anybody else, and then you will be taking responsibility for your own actions. And in terms of economy, you see, if we are able to become Atmanirbhar,
Hmm.
then certainly most of our problems will get solved, and
Hmm.
we will be thinking in all the directions, in the directions in which we have never thought before. And
Hmm.
because of this, a chain reaction will set in, wherein the unorganized sector, which was not given much thought yet, it was not in focus yet. I think that will also come into focus, and we will be able to structure the economy better. So I think this is the need of the hour. Everybody should move towards it.
Okay, so I was, going through your company also, like Sigma. Can you little bit elaborate about that also, so that most of the people would able to get more about it?
So Sigma is not a company; it's a platform wherein I have brought the students of IIT, IIMs, and all the other prestigious educational institutes of the country together. They
Mhm.
are working towards the priorities of the government. So they will be helping the government in an independent manner. So we have the best of the minds of the country working towards bringing a change in the society, making the society a little better uh,
Mhm.
voluntarily. So we are a group of around 200 students at the moment, and
Okay.
we are working on different problems, different policy problems. One of them is providing re-employment to the migrant laborers, and we have launched an
Mhm.
Ekatra helpline. The helpline's name is Ekatra. Ekatra means to bring together the employees and the employees, and
Okay. Mhm.
so we are getting huge response from the employers and from the employees both. We have a registration of around 1 lakh job seekers, and we have around
Mhm.
5,000 jobs at the moment, which we are slowly providing.
So, moving towards our next question. So, how did you spend your like you can say Corona days. What productive you have done in this? You upgraded your skills. So can you share your day also? Like how did you spend these days?
The I think the greatest thing that I did during Corona days was launching of Ekatra Helpline.
Hmm.
It took a lot of efforts, and because aggregating these jobs and then bringing together people on a common platform. Uh, we did registration from all the labor bastis of Delhi, and inviting the applications, telling them, making them aware about it, and orienting them about the jobs. It required a lot of efforts, and I would like to thank all the students who have worked tirelessly in building a great system. And soon, once we are able to structure the system in a better manner, we'll be launching this for the whole of the country. Right now, it exists only in Delhi and NCR. But as
Amazing.
soon as we'll be soon launching it pan India.
Okay, so what are the future plans? Like you want to, have you get or more offers from the Bollywood also? Like what are the future plans right now?
Yeah, I am getting offers, and one or two offers are really nice. And once things finalize, we'll announce it also.
Okay. So here most of the people are from, are most of the are entrepreneurs. So if you want to ask any question from Abhishek, you can drop the question. I'll ask the same. Okay, we have a question from Priyanshu. Yes, Priyanshu, you can speak. Okay.
Priyanshu doesn't want to speak, I believe.
No, no, I have not unmuted him. Yes, yes, you can speak. So,
Sir, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Hi,
Sir, I am
Priyanshu.
Rishi Khan, pursuing PhD in entrepreneurship from IIT Delhi.
Hi,
सर
Rishi.
आप एक आईएएस ऑफिसर हो और इतने अच्छा एक्टिंग कैसे कर लेते हैं? आपका एल्बम मैंने 50 बार सुन चुका हूँ.
थैंक यू ऋषि. आई थिंक आप भी जिस दिन एक्टिंग में उतरोगे आप भी उतना अच्छा कर लोगे, क्योंकि ये जो पढ़ाई लिखाई है हमको बहुत ज्यादा सिंसियर बना देती है. और सिंसियर होना एक आदत होती है. एक बार इंसान को वो आदत पड़ गई तो फिर किसी भी प्रोफेशन में उतरेगा तो वो उतनी सिंसियरिटी के साथ उतरेगा. तो जिस दिन आप भी उतरोगे ना एक्टिंग में, माशाल्लाह आप और भी अच्छा करोगे.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Okay, any question left from any person you can ask? Okay, we are good to go. I think, most of the people are, they have already written so many comments. If you see in the comment box right now, they are really inspired of your works and everything. So I think thanks a lot, sir, for connecting us. So I was saying thanks a lot for, connecting with us and, sharing your views. It was nice, really nice hearing you. So last, if you want to say something, the people who are currently, these days you can see like, 8th class and 9th class people are, talking about entrepreneurship because of the digital world we are having currently. So why, what should be the approach to get more people into entrepreneurship? So any views you are having, for about startups?
That's a very nice question, Madhumita. In fact, what we are aiming to do through Sigma is basically changing the approach of the society towards entrepreneurship, towards development, towards governance, and bringing in a feeling of stakeholdership in the society. So the sooner we realize that entrepreneurs are basically the building blocks of the society, they are the front runners of development, and it is only through them that development can take place, because government is there only to steer the developmental process. Government cannot ab initio start development, and it is a fallacy to expect government to expect from the government to spearhead the development. I think development should be spearheaded by these young entrepreneurs.
Hello. Hi, sir.
Hi, Aman.
I just
You have a very
wanted to
nice
ask
display picture.
So, so that was just by mistake. Actually, sir, I just want to ask how you are managing this all thing, job and this acting thing, right? In a same time, right?
Yeah, Aman, when all of us were children, when
Yeah.
we were school-going children, Then when we were given homeworks, so we always were finding it difficult to manage time for homework. But whenever a new movie would be coming on TV, all of us would be finding time to watch TV. So this is how I mean, if you want to do something, you will do it.
And this profile picture things that I have done just to make me happy, just to feel me happy.
Yeah, that's nice.
Thank
That's the
you.
best thing that one can do to oneself.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Okay, so Aman is from our team. He's really working hard in Karo Startup.
Oh wow, lovely.
Yeah. Okay, anyone who wants to ask can raise hand. Okay, Surabhi wants to ask. Just a second. Yeah, Surabhi, go ahead.
Hi, good evening, Surabhi.
Sir, myself Surbi, I'm pursuing my graduation from Patna Women's College. Sir, I have to ask you that during this COVID, how we can just manage our routine because all the lifestyles has changed right now. So to stay focused, what's our goal? How we can do that, sir?
So now, Surabhi, the thing is that world is going to change post-COVID, and it's a very big opportunity for all of us that we should have our own structure. Now, till date, we were following the structure that was already prevalent in the world. Now we have a clean slate strategy. We can restructure ourselves, we can restructure our work schedule, we can restructure our goals. So I think it is a very, very nice opportunity at this point in time, wherein we can sit back, relax, think again, and think in a different manner. So now, whatever goals you have to be more focused on the goals, think about them again and again, and you will certainly find an answer. It is only by focusing more you will find answers to your questions. But don't think in terms of already in terms of the structures that were already existing. So you have to think out of the box.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sarvi.
Niharika, you can ask.
Okay. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hi, Niharika. Good evening.
Hi, Niharika, you can ask.
सर आप कैसे मैनेज करते हो एक आईएएस ऑफिसर होना और यहाँ पे एक्टिंग भी
मुझे लगता है एक्टिंग कुछ ज्यादा ही हाइप हो गई है अदरवाइज हर इंसान दुनिया में सब कुछ मैनेज करके ही चलता है एक हाउसवाइफ भी देखो कितना कुछ मैनेज करती है एक अपने घर में तो एक्टिंग जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज मोर ग्लैमरस तो सब लोगों को ज्यादा दिखाई दे रहा है
आपको हमेशा से ही डाउट था कि यूपीएससी क्लियर करना है आईएएस ऑफिसर बनना है बीकॉम के बाद या फिर कुछ पहले अलग प्लान्स थे फिर बाद में अलग हो गए कुछ
नहीं शुरू से प्लान थे आईएएस तो बनने का प्लान था ही बाकी तो अभी जिंदगी बहुत लंबी बहुत सफर करना है अभी तो बहुत कुछ बनना है जिंदगी में अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है
यस सर थैंक यू सर
थैंक यू निहारिका
Okay, Niharika, I think you are done with the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sir, I have a last question. So, one question.
Yeah.
Sir, will you first prepare to so get a graduation degree? Also, you want to so will you prefer to sir pursue your idea first?
Idea, for sure.
So, not a graduation degree.
Graduation degree is somebody else's idea, right?
Yes, sir.
If it is my idea, if I want to graduate, I'll graduate first. But if I want to do something else, I'll do that thing first.
Okay, sir.
Graduation is, I mean, it all depends on what you want to do in life. So if you want to do something else first, I think definitely you should not graduate just because everybody says that you have to be graduate. In fact, all the big leaders of the world who have changed the world, very few of them have been graduates.
So then a drop year can be a nice idea, suggestible idea.
100%. Undoubtedly.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah,
actually, I'm asking you that actually I have to also I also want to just crack the UPSC. So what are the strategies should I get from you? Any ideas and any
the 4 things that I said. The 4 things that I said.
Sorry?
The 4 things that I said.
Sorry, sir.
I said the 4 things, right? The 4 things that one should focus on.
So we already discussed about the 4 things you need to really focus. I'll share the video with you. You can have a look what he advised us to do.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Surabhi. Thank you,
Thank you
Madhumita.
so much for joining.
Thank you
Yeah,
everyone
it's
for
a
joining
lovely
me and आज ईद भी है, आप सभी लोगों को ईद की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद और spread love. India is a beautiful country where we have unity and diversity. वो हमेशा बरकरार रहे और उसी की तरफ हम लोग हमेशा काम करें. Spread
Sir,
love,
thank
spread
you so
happiness,
much, sir.
be happy. Yeah.
सर थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
की ओर से और IIT दिल्ली टीम की ओर से आपको इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आने के लिए.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.